Scholarship is a dazzling word. It attracts all ambitious youth for their dreams and goals. When you're looking for a scholarship, it actually also means that you are looking to be appreciated for a bright future. And that's what completely funded scholarships do. So here we have the top 10 funded scholarships that are proficient in giving you all the support you need in starting with your study abroad journey and add a much needed sparkle in life. Number 10 on this list is ADB Japan Scholarship Program. It aims to provide an opportunity for well-qualified citizens of developing countries to have post-graduation in the fields of economics, management, science, technology, environment, agriculture, health and development related fields. The scholarship covers almost everything: full tuition fee, monthly stipends, books, medical and travel expenses. Most of the participating universities are in Japan, but also includes universities like IIT Delhi in India, National University of Singapore, University of Hong Kong, University of Auckland. On number 9 is Rhodes Scholarship. The Rhodes Scholarship is the oldest, first awarded in 1902, and perhaps most prestigious international scholarship program, enabling outstanding young people from around the world to study at the University of Oxford. Rhodes Selection Committee are looking for young people for outstanding intellect, character, leadership, and commitment to service. On number 8 is Turkish Government Scholarships. The scholarship program provides its recipients with vast opportunities and education in the most prestigious Turkish universities, helping students gain new perspectives and have a unique educational experience during their study in Turkey. Turkey Scholarships is a government-funded, competitive scholarship program awarded to outstanding students to pursue full-time or short-term programs at the universities in Turkey. The Turkish government gives chance for international students from all nationalities to study in Turkey. Up to 4,000 students are awarded each year and it covers everything: full tuition fee, monthly stipend, travel, health accommodation and 1-year Turkish language course fee as well. On number 7 is 5,000 scholarships in Canada. Fully funded scholarship to study bachelor's, master's, 1-tier master's, non-degree and PhD degree program. More than 5,000 scholarships will be awarded in every academic year. All the expenses will be funded by Government of Canada. On number 6 is Gates Cambridge Scholarship in UK. The Cambridge University Scholarship is a prestigious international scholarship funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Scholarship to study master's and PhD degree at Cambridge University from the United Kingdom. The Gates Cambridge University Scholarship provides 90 fully funded scholarships to international students and US citizens. All participants outside the UK are eligible for the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation scholarships. On number 5 is University of Toronto. The Lester B. Pearson International Scholarships at the University of Toronto provide an unparalleled opportunity for outstanding international students to study at University of Toronto. Awarded annually, these scholarships recognize outstanding students from around the world, including international students studying at Canadian high schools. The Lester B. Pearson's international scholarships will cover tuition, books, incidental fee, and full residence support for 4 years. The scholarships are tenable only at the University of Toronto for first-year undergrad entry programs. Each year, approximately 37 students will be named Lester B. Pearson Scholars. Number 4 is Amsterdam Excellence Scholarship or Amsterdam Merit Scholarship. This scholarship is offered to non-European Union students looking to study at University of Amsterdam. AMS provides each year fully funded scholarships for international students and further study seekers for all around the world in mostly all fields: economics, business, science, social science, psychology, and others. On number 3 is the Science Ambassador Scholarship for studying in US University or college. Science Ambassador Scholarship provides up to full tuition fee. This scholarship is awarded to female STEM students who creates a winning 3-minute YouTube video on the STEM subject of her choosing. Offered by the makers of Cards Against Humanity, the scholarship covers a full ride at the winner's chosen college or university. Additional partial scholarships are also offered. On number 2 on the list is Commonwealth Scholarship. This is one of the best scholarship commissions in the UK. It is basically for everyone. It provides completely funded scholarships in PhD research, master's studies, academic and professional fellowship for developing and developed countries people. And on the top spot, number 1 is Fulbright Scholarship USA. Fulbright has 2 models, one for US citizens named as US Fulbright Scholarship and the other one as Fulbright Foreign Student Program. It is pretty interesting program for international citizens who hold either bachelor's or equivalent degrees. It completely funds the entire program financially as the scholarship is sponsored by the US government. Scholarships cover almost all expenses including tuition fees, a living stipend and travel expenses. And these were the top 10 scholarships around the world. Make sure to check out the links in the description for all these amazing scholarships. Also, make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on career, college admission and personal development.